Hi, so in this video, I am going to tell you how to schedule a Zoom meeting on your phone. So first, open your Zoom app, then go to schedule. Now you can click here and after that you can name your meeting and decide your date. Then you can decide from what time you would need to start and what time you need to end. You can decide your time zone. You can decide your repeat this or for every day if you want to daily schedule this meeting or in a week. You can select from there. You can just select personal. You can use your ID as well, and you can turn on passcode and turn off this passcode, and after that you can change your password for the room, so that people can join your meeting. And next to this you can see here enable waiting room. So if you want someone to first wait uh, before entering in the Zoom meeting, and you want to accept that or reject that person, you can just turn it on off, or otherwise you can turn it off. And you can see some more option to customize the meeting, and after that you can just click on the done button, and this meeting will be scheduled. You can just click on any button, then this meeting will be scheduled and start at the time you are selected.